Alright, so how do you find a camp spot when the fall colors are changing up in North Georgia? You just wait till a hurricane's coming. So we're in Amicalola Falls today. It's pouring rain. So there's a big hurricane, tropical storm coming up in the south of Florida, and all the rain bands are hitting all the way up here. So you usually can't find a camping spot here because they're all reserved because of the fall leaf color change. But with the hurricane coming, tons of cancellations. So what do? We made our way up here. So yeah, it's pouring, raining right now. So we're gonna try to set up some tents or maybe look at some cabins. I'm not sure yet. But anyway, yeah, let's jump into it and see what we get into. If anything, I'll be doing a sunrise shoot in the morning for sure. All right, let's jump into it, guys. So we just left Amicalola Falls. It was beautiful. I wasn't even gonna try to talk on the mic or anything because you wouldn't have been able to hear me. It's so loud down there. Now we're climbing back up 600 stairs. I'll show you the shots I got though. I think some of them came out cool, so we shall see, but this was just kind of like a scouting trip tonight. So I'll see what we can get, see what we can come away with. Yeah, check in soon, guys. Alright, so we just got back from the falls, little scouting trip. We're back at the cabin now. We did get a tent, but we ended up getting a cabin because the rain's just going to be coming through like crazy and we didn't want to deal with just having a tent and not being able to make a fire. So yeah, so that scouting trip was awesome. Hopefully saw a few of those photos already, and there's no way I can vlog over there. It's so loud, it's insane. Probably just gonna make some dinner, hang out here, and get some sleep, and then probably wake up, maybe do a sunrise shoot, we'll see. But yeah, let's do it, guys. It's about 6 a.m. We're up for a sunrise shoot up here. We're on the approach trail, the Appalachian Trail. It's like where you kind of start the trail to go north, but yeah, it looks pretty good out here. We might get some fog or some haze this morning, so there's like a good 50–70% chance it was saying on clear outside. So hopefully we'll get some atmosphere. That'd be awesome. Hopefully we'll get some fall shots. I'm not sure, but everything's pretty dark, so the light's barely just starting to come up. So all right, guys, let's jump into it, see what we get. Let's do it. Alright, so I can't really find a good overlook to like get the sunrise, but it doesn't look like there's going to be much color anyway. I passed a few banks of fog or low cloud, not sure what it was, but it was awesome. So I think I'm going to head back the trail because I walked about 2 miles so far and I'm about to pass out. So yeah, this elevation isn't for the Florida boy. Something to get used to, right? But anyway, I'm going to head back up and then down, up and down, and try to get some of that fog, some of that woodland. So let's do it. All right, guys, let's go check out some fog. So we got some backlit fog here. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. These rays are just starting to shoot through, so I'm gonna jump in here, hurry, grab a few shots. I'll show you what I get, and I'll stop and talk through any if I get a second, but it's going quick, so let's do it, guys. All right, thanks. Alright guys, so it's still kind of got a little fog here. It hasn't quite burned off yet. I've just been running around getting some awesome shots. I'm not sure what I got. Running around like a chicken with my head cut off, so I'm still gonna get some more. It's still here. Probably got about 20 minutes before it burns off, but let's do some more. Alright guys, let's see what we get. That was some awesome fog with the sun coming through. Can't beat that, huh? We never get that in Florida, so pretty excited. I got a few shots. Not sure how much the compositions are gonna work out, but hey, the conditions were awesome, so we shall see. I think I'm gonna head back to camp, so on the way back, I'll take some pictures of anything cool I see, and yeah, let's start walking. Got about 2.5, 3 miles to go, so let's do it. Hey guys, so this light just keeps getting better and better out here. It's just cutting through down this mountain, lighting up this whole valley, and lighting up this like fall color, all these trees right in my foreground, so awesome. I'm doing 3 focus stack, 1 for this little bush in front of me, 1 for the main tree, the fall tree I'm shooting, and then the background, and then 1 for the sky just to make sure, but I think I got it all in, all the exposure in one, so yeah, let me know how the shot looks, and we're gonna carry on. All right guys, let's do it. Alright. What the fuck? Come on. Seriously? Will you... This thing's fleet. Will you undo the battery? It won't turn off.
I gotta get this quick. When did I become your assistant?
Hey, so we got up here for the second sunrise. Gorgeous morning, as you can see. We came down in this valley, kind of hiked into the valley. There's a little creek down here, so absolutely gorgeous out here, as you can see. Again, but yeah, just gonna see what I can get here. Just gonna try to hurry, running around getting all kinds of different compositions, so I'll share with you anything that I get, and yeah, check in soon. So we just finished up out there in the little valley for sunrise. We actually might camp up that way tonight. There's a cool little mountain spot, like on the very top of the mountain. It's nuts that we found. It's on the Appalachian Trail, so. But luckily there's a gravel road to it, so we can actually drive up there. So might do that tonight, but yeah, right now we're just gonna head back to camp we got set up and make some breakfast. Little bakey, little eggy. What you think? Let's eat. We are heading over to Fort Mountain, so we're gonna do some scouting. It's about an hour away from Amicalola Falls State Park, so yeah, going to check it out, see if we can find anything out there. All right guys, let's do it. So we checked out Fort Mountain. It was pretty cool. There was some awesome like big overlooks, but I think we're gonna head back to Amicalola State Park, and then you can kind of go through there. And there's kind of some stealthy camp spots along the Appalachian Trail, so I think we're gonna get in there and do some primitive camping there. And yeah, we'll see what we get into there. All right, guys, check in soon. So one shot I took the other day, we stopped here on the way out and got it one more time. It's about the same light, but wanted to get it with the sun coming up. So I think I might got a sun star shot, but it's a beautiful composition in here. The light just comes through perfectly. So I'll throw that up on the screen. Hopefully you enjoy it, and we'll talk soon. All right guys, thanks.